My name is Zach Babiarz. I help non-technical people bring their software ideas to life immediately with AI, and I put this together to make this as simple as possible. I've been vibe coding for almost 8-9 months now. I've built multiple SaaS platforms, Google Chrome extensions, web apps, etc. Learned a ton, used multiple platforms, Lovable, Bolt, Cursor, Windsurf, Base 44, etc., etc. I have a ton of YouTube videos on these different platforms and different topics. And my goal is to make this as easy as possible. So if you're not technical at all, I give you all the tools right here on Ideas to Life, No Code Creators. ITLworkshop.com. This is the toolkit that I vibe coded myself specifically for you. It's completely free. I'm going to keep it free forever. That's the plan. And I'm going to continue loading it up with tools that'll help you become a better vibe coder. We'll start at the top. I have pre-made prompts. So if you want your own Linktree like websites, I made a prompt for you guys. You can just copy and paste it and put your website and names in here. And you can use this prompt. I'm going to be adding more prompts here soon. I have free APIs. So a good API that's free is data.gov. You can check this out, and then you can go and create your own API key, and I'll be adding more. These are my quick links, bolt.new. That's my favorite IDE that I build a lot of my vibe-coded apps on. Supabase, that's the database I use. AI Surfer, this is the mastermind I'm in, and everything I know about AI I learned from AI Surfer, so highly recommend joining this mastermind if you aren't. GitHub, that's where you store all your code. You can book a call with me. I do tons of one-on-one calls. It's my favorite. I have so much fun co-creating software with you guys. I jump on Zoom. We build something cool together. I help you overcome errors and debug if you need that, or just ideation, help you come up with cool ideas for your app and make it even better. I have a WhatsApp group. It's completely free. You can jump in there and chat about anything vibe coding. My YouTube channel, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Feedback form. After I do workshops, people can leave some feedback. And then terminology game. This is really fun. You can learn different tech terms through this setup. And it gives you a simple definition and then a simple, like a really simple analogy for each word. And then you can play a game too. If you say play the matching game, you can guess, a type of AI trained on massive amounts of text. LLM? Yes, correct. So then it gives you a little analogy, a super chatty brain that reads millions of books and it can now talk, write, and think just like a person, right? And then you go next question, and it'll keep track of your scores, that kind of thing. So this is my toolkit. I'm adding to this all the time. So go ahead, create your free account, itlworkshop.com. If you haven't already, maybe you're in this right now and you're using it. So have fun, continue using it. I'll show you how this works. So this helps you structure your initial prompt, that foundational prompt, in a really simple, easy way. So it's clear, it's elaborate, and it will build an app specifically to your liking, how you want it set up. So app name, what does it do, target audience, main features, design notes, monetization strategy, and then you generate the prompt, and then it'll spit out a markdown formatted prompt that's very digestible to Bold, Lovable, etc. And then you can actually enhance your prompt even more. So let's do that really quick just to show you how this works. I'm going to load a saved idea because every time I generate a prompt, it saves it. So last night I did a workshop with about 40 people in person. It was super fun. We came up with an idea for an app that is called Site Spy, and it compares your website to competitors' websites. So we came up with all this information. I hit generate prompt. It updated my idea, saved it in there. And then if I scroll down here, after about 10 seconds, it's going to populate a markdown formatted prompt. There it is. As you can see, this is a pretty good prompt. You can go ahead and just hit copy and go into Bolt and paste it. So you would go here, like Bolt or any IDE you're using, and you just paste it in there. So you could do that. You just paste it in there and hit go. Or you can hit enhance my prompt even more, make sure it's copied. Hit yes, continue. It's going to take you to a custom GPT that I created that will give you some more clarity. So hit I'm ready to start. It's going to ask you to paste your prompt from ITL Workshop. Boom, paste this. Guys, this is such a hack. Like, you're going to save so much money and credits because your app's going to be like 70% done from your first prompt. And you're going to have a lot more clarity on what your app is going to be like. And this is going to help you fill in the gaps. So like, it's going to look at your prompt you just made. And if it finds any gaps, it's going to ask you some questions so you can fill those gaps, things you didn't think of, whatever it might be. So what it's asking is, all right, LLM searchability analysis. How do you want to define and measure the searchability in the tools? So what I'm going to do is go one by one, answer the question, right? 2, answer. 3, answer. And then I'll go all the way to 5 questions, hit go, and then it's going to build me a new prompt that's a little more expanded, enhanced, and clear with the new updates I just made, how I answer these questions. And you can keep doing this over and over. Say, hey, ask me more questions, ask me more questions. Get really clear on what your initial prompt's going to be. And then you would just take it, copy it, and go over to Bolt, paste it, hit go. So that is the main function of my toolkit here. Again, I'm going to be continuing to add to this, so check this often. Every time you have a new idea, come here, ideate here, generate the prompt, and get a really strong prompt. This is going to separate you guys from any other vibe coder out there. No one is really doing this that I've seen. This has helped me make apps 10 times faster, saved a lot of credits, get a lot more clear on what I'm building, and it's just a game changer. I've had tons of good feedback. I do live in-person workshops. I do one-on-ones. I do tons of just vibe coding everything. This is what I do full-time. At this point, I'm just full-time creating apps, building automations, and it's super fun. So I appreciate you guys. If you have any questions, you can book a call with me if you need help. But other than that, just enjoy this free platform. Cheers.